Hi, this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. We are going to take a look at the 12 Days of Dazzle Color Street Advent Calendar. This video is just going to be a quick look. I haven't looked at the sets yet in person. I just got my boxes yesterday, but it was like dark already, so I couldn't do a video. So I haven't looked at them. We're going to look through them, keep them in the package, and then I think I'm going to do a second video showing the set's sheerness later. So, all right. Spoiler alert, if you don't want to see the contents of the 12 Days of Dazzle Color Street Advent Calendar, please stop this video now. All right, it has the same magnetic box, so it's a very nice white box. It's reusable. I have stuff stored in mine from last year. It says in the inside, dazzling days ahead. All right, so it's a 12-day Advent box. So you can choose to start it on the 1st through the 12th, or you can do the 12th through the 24th. You can do one every other day. It looks like they included wipes in the back here. Oh, and a file. So you have enough for every day, and then the file as well. I'm just going to put those away. And then, all right, we're going to start. Let's just start at the beginning here. All right. This is, oh, you know what? I'm going to grab the written example or descriptions too, so we can have those to look at. I just have to pull them up really quick. I have everything filed on my computer, so just a second. Spoilers. All right. Okay, so set one is Royal Ribbon. How do I open these? Oh, it doesn't have a little... Sometimes they have the little cut. Okay. Okay, this is my jam. I like this color, so... They say it's ruby red, a dark to light ruby red diagonal ombre glitter. So this kind of check design, I think, is supposed to be like a wavy ribbon with the dark to light ombre. I'm not sure if it reads like ribbon. I wonder if when you put it on, though, when it's on a curved nail, if it will look more kind of three-dimensional. Because when you go light red, so if it's a ruby red, but it goes light, then it's going to look pink, because that is literally what pink is a lighter red. So I'm going with it looks magenta to me. So, which I don't mind. I mean, I have magenta hair. If you don't know me, you've never seen me in person or in videos. All right. So this is called Royal Ribbon. I'm a fan. I think it'll be fun mixed with dark sets, definitely. I would go black personally. I think it'll be a fun set to play around with. All right. And then we'll do a sheerness video separate. I'm going to put this back so I don't get my order confused. All right, how do I put this in here? I don't know how to do it. Oh, there's a little, okay, I see. There's a little slot. It's hard to get it back in. Okay. Number 2, Cosmo Crush. The light, so it's a light to deep blush ombre with pink glitter and iridescent flakes. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, can you see the iridescent, the hollow glitter in it? So it has pink glitter plus hollow glitter. So there, that's a better to see all the glitter. So when the light isn't catching it, it looks more like this. And then as you hit the light hits it, you can see more of that sparkly iridescent glitter. This reminds me of the base of that one. Oh, I can't remember what that one. It has a design on it, but it's a similar whispered something, maybe. All right. Oh, I can't think. I think it was the winter collection last year that had a set that had a design like this. Oh, I can't remember the name of it, so it's not going to do me any good right this second. These are super hard to get back in. Okay. All right, number 3 for the Advent confetti, sorry, crystal confetti. This is a white set, so it's a white base. Oh, it's really pretty. Looks like Couldn't Care It Less with silver and multicolored chunky crystals. Is that square glitter? Hold on a second. I gotta look at it carefully. Oh, I don't think it's square. I was wondering if it was the square glitter. Not sure what the color difference is. Between holiday confetti. Hold on, I have one sitting here. Because I got my bundle. Wait, wrong bundle. Oh no, it's sitting here. Hold on. Wait, no, these are the wrong sets. I must have filed it already. I had my winter bundle sitting here, not my holiday sets. Sorry. All right. We'll have to do a comparison later. All right. This one's called Crystal Confetti. Number 4 is Jewel Drop. Ooh, glitter dip? Let's see. Clear shade, yep, with a brilliant multicolored glitter dip. So this is this is a fun glitter dip. We haven't really had this color combo. It totally reminds me of sprinkles. But this is a glitter dip. It looks like it's green, blue, pink, purple, red. Kind of all the different colors here. That is a glitter dip. So that's a clear base. With just the glitter at the tips, or I guess if you flip it, it could be at the base of your nails. That will be fun to mix and match with a bunch of different colors because it has so many colors in it. Oh, this is my favorite, Tinsel Tango. This is the only one I've seen nail-fies of so far. That is fabulous. This is probably going to be my favorite. I love the vertical stripes. I love the color combos. It is super fun. This will be fun by itself or mixed with other, colors. You can pull in any of those colors. This one's called Tinsel Tango. Without seeing all of them in person, this is my favorite so far. But just from the sneak peek box, it was my favorite. Oh my gosh. All right. Number 6, Frosted Fizz. Ooh. What do they describe this one as? This one, an icy deep to light blue ombre shade with silver and blue glitter. So some are angled and some are straight across ombres. The dark is at the base of your nail, and then it's going to go to the lighter color. And then there you can see it has silver and blue glitter. Silver gets picked up when the light hits it, obviously there. You can see that. That'll be fun. I like blue. All right. Number 7 must be Twilight Toast. Yep, I figured out they wrote them in order. Twilight Toast. Ooh, what is this color? Burgundy? Here, let's look closer. I'm reading it as a burgundy. It actually kind of reminds me of Night Terror with like a bunch of chunky glitter on it. So let me see here. Burgundy, teal, silver, and pink glitter. Oh, is this one solid glitter? It's reading that it has a burgundy base. Let me see here. I can't tell. I think it has a burgundy base, but it has a bunch of different burgundy, teal, silver, pink glitter. Jewel, kind of those jewel tones. Again, that'll be fun to mix with other sets if you want to like simplify that. Or some angled tips to mix in another color. You could do the double angled. So that is Twilight Toast. All right, number 8. I guess I don't have to stick these back in here, but I want to. All right, number 8 is Sugar Plum Spritz. Oh, this is definitely stars. Like, look at it, has stars in the design. All right. That's cool. I like this one. Very galaxy looking. What do they call this? Sugar Plum Spritz. A starry purple, pink, and blue nebulous gradient glitter. That's cute, though. I like that one. Any sort of celestial mani, I feel like, is kind of fun. I like to use these type of sets as accents. I like to use most designs as accents. I do lots of mixed where I'll put a solid glitter color or a solid color with a design to mix it up a little bit. That's my jam. All right, number 9. This must be Stardust Socialite. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this reminds me. Oh, I don't remember the name of it. We had a set that was kind of these colors without the glitter. Opal. No, is it like winter opal? Not really. That had an ombre, but look at that color shift. Anyway, we'll move on. A shimmery color shifting purple pink with teal glitter. Okay, so it's kind of a more muted, like lavendery color, light purple, which is lavender, and then you're shifting it. There, you can see the pink. It almost gets, ooh, that color kind of looks like Glamstram. It has like this pink purple shift. That's a fun one. Ooh, I like that color shift. And then it has the teal glitter on it. All right, that one is called Stardust Socialite. All right, what are we on? Number 10. 10 is Dance Floor Darling. Ooh, that's a cool wavy. That one's described as a semi-sheer, multicolored, gradient glitter with wavy design. So this one isn't going to have an opaque back if it's semi-sheer, is what they're calling it. So that's nice that they're trying to tell us ahead of time. So especially under those silver wavy lines, it might be a little more sheer. It depends. We'll check sheerness. I'm not getting really color shift with this one. It's just fun color combos. Again, this would make a great accent if it's too much. I think a lot of people are going to pair up the light colors to make manis, but that's what I would do. All right, that one's called Dance Floor Darling. Dealing with these sleeves are my downfall, I guess. All right, 11 must be Moonlit Magic. Moonlit Magic. Oh, what is this? Is this a white back? A clear shade. So this is an overlay with black, purple, blue, and silver glitter. So this is an overlay. That'll be fun to play with. We don't get a ton of... Have we only had the one overlay with black? Or at least with a lot of black? Or we've maybe had 2. We've had the no holding black, but then we've had a blue and black one for winter. Snow something. I don't remember. I am blinking. It is too early for me. I do not do videos in the morning, and it is too early for me to remember anything. So, all right. That is Moonlit Magic. All right. The last set, but not least, well, maybe. I haven't actually seen it close up, is Champagne Sparks. Ooh, I like this one too. Okay, this is my second favorite. Just going off first impressions. Semi-sheer, so this does not have an opaque base. Semi-sheer gold, black, red, and purple gradient glitter with fizzy design. So these little fizzes, these are so cute. I really like this set. So I like the little, it looks like kind of champagne bubbles that they're making with the glitter, the gold glitter. I think in the black, it looks like champagne. There's this tiny purple stripe between the red and the black in that ombre. It's subtle. I like this one because it's a little bit different than anything that we've ever had before. I like the colors. I like the bold, bright colors, and I love gold. So, super fun. Which is funny because I like gold nails. I've been liking the gold glitter on nails, but I don't actually wear gold jewelry. I always wear silver. All right, anyway, that one's called Champagne Sparks. So that's definitely my second favorite. I like the Tinseltown, no, Tinsel Tango. It's the best. So I think what we will do, you know, hold on, I want to see which one was Tinsel Tango. Yeah, these two bright, bold ones are my favorite. They're all fun though. I think they're fun. I have a fun time. My challenge that I'm going to do this year, like I did last year, is randomly pick one of these 12 sets and do a mixed mani with those, with that look. Um, all right. So last but not least, we have a surprise bonus mani charms. This is called Festive Bling. The description is a pack of whimsical winter designs. Festive Bling is the name of it. So does it say that? Yes, Festive Bling. All right, so bling, we're getting little gems. Okay, so we have snowflakes with gems. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a wreath or just circles. Little like star / snowflake shapes. I like that one. It's huge though. That'd be a thumb one for sure. Oh, this Christmas tree is super cute. That's like almost looks like a poinsettia. Poinsettia. I always say poinsettia, so that's what you're gonna get. This is like crystals and snowflakes, gems and snowflakes kind of thing going on. That tree is cute, but there's not two, so you have. I'm like looking at them close up on camera. Little snowflakes with like gems. Oh, there's another different tree. These kind of look like an ornament look. All right. I'm not a huge sticker user, but we will see if I'll be able to do little accents. There's just a few that have the same up at the top. So these all have duplicates. These are all single nail. Like you have to mix and match and not have same on both hands, which doesn't bother me. So, all right, that is Festive Bling. All right. That is the 2025 12 Days of Dazzle Color Street Advent Calendar. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.